Welcome back to how to add content to your Blackboard Learns. And today I'm going to show you how to add HTML from another site to your Blackboard Learn as content. So let's go to my Chemistry Honors Period 1, and we're going to go to the content. And when we open the content, this is the learning module we've been working in, and today we're going to add to this learning module, and we're going to actually add HTML from one of the sites I use for my flipped lessons. And so I'm going to add an item, and when I add an item, we're going to go ahead and look at this, and this is the Sophia chapter 1 flipped lessons, and we're going to go ahead and add this Sophia lesson. And what I've done is I've already opened my Sophia site, which is right here, and I've built my module, which includes several tutorials dealing with all of the key topics in chapter 1. And using this, I'm going to go to this area here where I get the embed code. Now the embed code is done in HTML format, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that, and now I'm going to go back to my item, and over here on the right where it says HTML CSS, I'm going to go ahead and choose HTML, which will allow me to embed my code. So I'm going to paste that code in there, and then I'm going to go to update. And so now that it doesn't really show anything right now, but this is going to be actually the link that students will use to get to that site. So Sophia lessons due August 31st, 2014, 11 p.m. And I'm going to go ahead and capitalize Sophia like I did before in the title. And I'm not going to add an attachment, and I'm not going to open this. I'm going to open this right from the start of the class. So when I go ahead and press submit, I get, there is the Sophia Center Chapter 1 flipped lesson. And if I open that, there's nothing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the student view, and in looking at the student view, we'll be able to see what they'll see. And when we go to that, here's the learning module that they see. They'll go ahead and open that up, and they get the DHMO PDF that we added before. There's the case study assignment that we looked at before, and here's the Sophia learning module. And when they open that up, they actually get the module, and from any of these they can click, and that will take them to Sophia so that they can view the video and do the quiz. So that is how to add HTML to your information. So I'm going to go ahead and close that, and I'm going to go back to the Blackboard. And so I'm going to go back to my classes and choose my Chemistry Period 1 and go over to Content, and here's the learning module. Now we're still in student preview mode, so I'm going to go ahead and close that. I didn't add anything or change anything, and so here we are back at my original workstation, Chemistry Honors Period 1. I go to Content. Here's my learning module, and when I open that up, there are each of the parts we've added so far: a PDF, an assignment, and part of my flipped lesson through HTML for the students to use. So far so good, and in the next video I will add video links and videos. Thank you.